Good morning, girls. This is Miss Anam. I'm your mathematics teacher, and I will be taking your maths classes. This is your maths book, Mathwise, book 6, and I have inserted the picture of it so that easily you can purchase the book. I hope you all have purchased the book, and if still you are not having your books, please kindly arrange your books and your copies, everything, so that when I will start the lesson, you will have all these things with you, because it's very necessary that whenever and whatever I'm explaining it to you, you should have books beside you. Secondly, this time you will be having three big portions. Your mathematics will be divided into three parts, and that is arithmetic, algebra, geometry. You will be having three copies. One arithmetic journal you will be having, algebra journal you will be having, and you will be having geometry copy, which will be interleave. Instructions to be followed: you will be making index in all three copies of one page, that is one front page and one back page. You will be making title page of first term in all three copies. You will not do this now till I will ask you to do. I am telling you in advance that when I will start the lesson and I will ask you to do the work in copy, so these are the two essential things you will do it first, that is making the index, and second thing is making first term title page. You will be doing your all assignments on time. Whatever the sums I am giving you today, it should be done by today only. Okay, that should not be the case that I am giving you today and you are doing after a week and asking, Miss, this work is not done and that work is not done. This should not be the case. Okay, neat and clean work is required. You will be using ink pen in your copies. You will be using black pointer in your copies. Black marker and blue marker is strictly prohibited because that will leave traces on the back of your page, at the back of your page, and I do not want that. You will be using pencil for drawing margin. Date should be mentioned on every page. Margins should be drawn before starting the work, and neat and clean work is required. In case of any sum or work which is wrong, you will be doing correction at the end of the unit. Whether I write in your copy do correction or whether I do not write, if something is wrong, you have to do correction at the end of the unit. List of copies, that is, you will be having arithmetic journal, you will be having algebra journal, you will be having geometry interleave copy, and you will be having one graph book. That's it for today, girls. I will be seeing you inshallah on Friday now, and I hope you understand the what sort of book you will be having, what copies you will be having. Okay, goodbye, take care.